Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a checklist like this. So, to make this checklist, we will use HTML, CSS. So, here is my code and here is my CSS code. So, to make this, we are going to use HTML and CSS. So, here is our checklist. We'll check our list. So what we have done today? So today I have done HTML coding. So I have ticked. See here, I have ticked. So I'll again untick. So here, if I have done my HTML code, so I'll click on it. So see here, it checked and it disappear. It's looking. So it's looking a very low color. So it checked now. So now, if I have done some CSS project, I'll check on it. That today I have done some CSS project. I have written some poem, so I'll check it. I have booked my ticket, so I'll check it. If I have not booked my ticket, I'll uncheck it. So here, if I have not done HTML code, I have uncheck it. So like that, you can check and uncheck. So to make this a beautiful checklist like this, we are going to use HTML and CSS. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. So here is my HTML file. So here I make my HTML basic structure of my HTML. In previous video I have shown you how to make a basic structure of HTML. In this also I'll show you how to make basic structure of HTML. So for make this we'll use this sign. So in this, after I typing this, we'll press enter. So it will print our basic structure of our HTML code. It is the shortcut key of VS Code. I mostly use VS Code because it's had many extension and many shortcuts, and it improve our coding career. So we'll go back to our code. So here in basic structure of my HTML, I have taken the title check box list. Here I can show you here in the upper. So here check box list. So come to our VS Code. So here I have taken the links my CSS file style.css. Here you can see style.css. So here I have linked my CSS file. After that, in body tag I have taken class frame with in a div. So in this div I've taken class frame. So in this div I've taken another div with class list, and in this div I've taken another div with class head, and in this div we have taken two more divs. Here you can see for the title, class title and class subtitle. So here I have taken title Monday, and here I have taken subtitle December 8, 2022. So here I have taken, see here, December 8, 2022 and Monday title, and December 8, 2022 is subtitle. So here after this, out of this head class div, I have taken a unordered list. So we can list these items: HTML coding, CSS projects, and this write some poem or booking tickets. So we make our list. So in another list I've taken list tag, and in this I've taken input tag, and in this input tag I've taken input type should be checkbox. So we will check it. So See, here input box is check box. We will click on it and it will check. And here so again it will uncheck. So I have taken ID item 1 and name item 1. So I have taken after this two label tags. So first I have taken item 1 and in this class I have taken text and in this I have taken HTML coding. So here I have taken HTML coding. So you can see here a label tag. So HTML coding and in this I have taken button. So when you click on it, it it will check. So for that, when we are checking, it is showing a beautiful sign. See, to make this, we have taken SVG, which with see when we comment it, see, and we'll save it and we'll click on it, it will not show. See, here is uncheck checking that sign mark is not showing because we have not made our SVG. So when we will uncomment it, so see when you check it, it is showing a beautiful sign checked in. So to make this, we have taken SVG tag and in this I have taken width 15 pixel and height 10 pixel and I have taken class check mark. So in this I have made a poly align. So I have taken the coordinates point 1, 5, 6, 9, 14 and 1. These coordinates I have taken to make that sign effect. So after this I have taken another list tag. See here I have taken this list tag. So same list tag will copy here also to make another list. So like that we have taken three more check lists. So here in this I have taken CSS project. Here I have taken HTML coding and input tag item 1. Here I have taken item 2. Like that we have taken input tag checkbox item 2 and then class text and in label tag same I have taken, but here item 2 I have taken 4. So here same. So like that we have to take three more. So you can make any numbers of checklists. So you can change the text here, write some poem, whatever the title of your checklist. So you can make here booking ticket, eating, going to school, college, anything. So you can change here class and here text. So after this, so come to our CSS file. I'll show you my code once again. So you can pause it and write in your code editor. So come to our CSS file. In CSS file I've taken body color. So here is my body color code. So in this after that I've taken the class frame. In this class frame I've taken position absolute and top from top it should be 50%, left 50%. Why you are taking to make it in the center. So width 400 pixel, height 400 pixel, margin top minus 200 pixel, margin left minus 200 pixel, border radius 2 pixel and box shadow to look a beautiful good looking effect. So I have taken background color, then I have taken background linear gradient. So here is the background linear gradient. So no need of this background color, we can remove it. So it's looking perfect. So come to our VS Code. Here I have taken from top right, I have taken a color code for linear gradient. You can see my color code. Here is my color code. So another color code I have taken this, and then I have taken it should be 100%. So then I have taken the color text, and then I have taken font family open sans and Helvetica, otherwise it will be sans serif. So after this I have taken the class list. Here you can see in my HTML file I have taken class list. So in class list I have taken position absolute, width 240 pixel, height 280 pixel, and top 60 pixel, and left 80 pixel, and background color white. And then I have taken box shadow. You can see here 4 pixel, 8 pixel, I have 12 pixel blur and 0 pixel. So after that I have taken the border radius 4 pixel. Then I have target my head class. So here is my head class. So in head class I have taken padding 20 pixel from top and bottom and 0 from left and right. I have taken here margin 0 from top and bottom and 30 pixel from left and right. After that I have taken border bottom. So border bottom it should be 1 pixel solid and this color code. So after that I have taken class title. So in this I have taken font weight 60, 600, and font size 20 pixel, line height 30 pixel, and text align center. And again we have taken subtitle class. So it should be 12 pixel, line height 18 pixel, and text align center. After this I have target my UL another list tag. So I can show you in list class I have taken UL. So what is this UL tag? So here is my UL. So I have taken UL list style none. So after that I have taken padding from top and bottom 4 pixel and 0 from left and right. Then I have taken margin from top and bottom 0 and 30 pixel from right and left. Then I have taken list tag. So here is our list tag. So in list tag I have taken position absolute, display block, and margin 24 pixel from top and bottom and 0 pixel from right and left. So here I have taken height 14 pixel. Then after this I have taken the text class. Here is my text class. So you can see here text class. So in this I have taken float left, font size 13 pixel, and line height 14 pixel, cursor pointer and transition all, and 0.3 second it should be, and each in out. Then I have target my button tag. You can see here button class. So here I have taken button class. Here I have taken position relative, z index 2, box sizing border box, float it should be right, width 14 pixel, height 14 pixel, and border 1 pixel solid, and this color code, and border radius 50%, and cursor pointer. And then I have taken transition all 0.4 second, ease out, and zero point 0.5 second it should show. So here I have taken check mark class. So here You can see here my check mark class. So in this I have taken position absolute, top 2 pixel, right 0, and a stroke color. So when I click on it, it should show this color. So for this we have taken this color, and fill should be none, and the stroke width 1.5, and the stroke disarray and 30/30, and I have taken dash of 30, and transition all and zero point 0.5 second and ease out. If you don't know this whatever the this we are using the streak offset, this type of styling, if you don't know, please watch a CSS tutorial, so then you will understand. Then I've taken input tag, so here you can see my input. So in this I have taken display should be none, and after that I have checked, so here checked and text. So here I can show you, here is our text. So for this text, when we checked, its color should be become like this. So I can show you, when I check, see its color gone. See, when I uncheck, it color changes. So for that, when you check, the color become like this. So then for button, it should be some transition. So I've taken all zero point 0.4 second and aging. Then transform the scale 1.5 and opacity 0. Then for check mark, I have taken dash of 1 and transition all zero point 0.5 second, ease out and 0.4 second. So like this we have made our checklist. So it's so easy, and you can make any number of checklists like this, and you can use in your projects. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. If you have any doubts, please comment. So thanks for watching, we'll meet in next video.